Hello students, myself Pawan Verma from Genius School, Surat. Today we will learn about matrix, definition of matrix, type of matrix and how many types of representations of matrix. First we read definition of matrix. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers or quantities. In this arrangement, numbers are written in the row or columns form, and this structures or this arrangement is enclosed by large bracket or small bracket. Let's have a see. 5, -1, 0, 2, 3, 4. In this matrix, there are two rows, 1, 2, and there are three columns, 1, 2, and 3. And it is enclosed by large bracket. It is a rectangular structure. And A, B, C, D, it is in a spherical matrix, because in this matrix there are two rows and also same two columns. And matrix are generally represented by capital letters. It means capital A, capital B, capital C, capital X, capital Y, etc. And elements are represented by either numbers or either small alphabets. Okay, and now we will read about how many types of writing of matrix. First, general form. In this form, we can write matrix as following. Capital A represents the matrix, and R1, R2, R3 and Rn represents row, C1, C2, C3, Cn represents column of the matrix. And now we can write the elements of matrix as A11, A12, A13, A1n, A21, A22, A23, A2n, and similarly AM1, AM2, AM3, AMN. These are represents the element of matrix, and here M by N, it is represents the order of matrix. It means M represents number of row, N represents number of columns. It means in this matrix there are M rows and N columns. So order of matrix is M by N. Now second form, standard form. It is also written as short form. In this form, we can write the matrix as capital A is equal to bracket Aij M by N. This Aij represents all the elements of matrix. It is not a single element. It represents all the elements of matrix. Here I means ith row and J means jth column. It means Aij is the element of ith row and jth column. For example, suppose a matrix is given 2, -1, 0, 8, 7, 5, 3, 1 and 7, and ask the question, find the element 2, 3. Find the element 2, 3. It means first we check the second row R2, and then we check the third column C3. Then in the second row and third column, it is the element of second row, third column. It means 8, 2, 3. Answer will be 5. Similarly, if ask the question, find the element A31. A31 means third row, then element will be third row and first column. It means answer is 3. So we can find all these elements by the help of AIJ. Now a question based on order of matrix. Suppose the question is, how many possible matrices can be written by the 4 elements. It means in these matrices there are only 4 elements. So let's have a see. First element or first matrix will be 1 by 4 order, second 2 by 2 order, third 4 by 1 order. 1 by 4 order, for example A, B, C, D. It means there are only one row and there are 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, and total number of elements are 4. And let's see 2 by 2. It means matrix can be written as A, B, C, D, and in this matrix there are 2 rows and 2 columns, and total number of elements also 4. And now see 4 by 1. It means A, B, C, D. There are 4 rows and single column, and in this matrix also number of total elements is 4. So we can write these 3 possible matrices of element of 4 matrix. Okay. Now another questions. Let's have a see. Construct a matrix of order 2 by 2 whose elements are given as Aij is equal to 2i plus j. So now first we write matrix of order 2 by 2 in short form, then we can write as Aij 2 by 2, and now we can write as general form. Then capital A can be written as A11, A12, A21, A22. It is in a matrix of order 2 by 2. Now we find the values of these quantities A11, A12, A21, A22. First we find the value of A11. A11, it means we put the value I is 1 and j is 1 in this equation number first. So result is 3. It means we obtain the value 3. Now we put I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. So 2 into 1 and j 2. It means 4. Now find the value of A21. A21. It means put I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1. It means 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. And now last we find the value of A22. It means put I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. It means 2 into 2 plus 2, 6. So we get all these values A11, A12, A21, A22. And now we can write the matrix A as 3, 4, 5, 6. It is in a matrix of order 2 by 2 and it is in a answer. Okay. So today we learn about matrix, representations of matrix, elements of matrix and construction of matrix. Okay. And now we will read the remaining part of matrix in the next video. Have a good day.